Dedicate a space. Choose a space that can be dedicated to your craft, even if it's a small area in a multi-purpose room. Work table. Have a sturdy work table that's large enough for your tools and projects. Lighting. Good lighting is crucial to see your work clearly and avoid straining your eyes. Tool storage. Use a pegboard, tool rack, or drawers to organize your tools. Bead storage. Beads can be stored in clear, small containers that are divided into compartments. Label. Label all storage containers for easy identification. Drawer organizers. Drawer organizers can be used to separate different types of materials. Wire storage. Store wire on a holder or spool to avoid tangling. Regular cleaning. Keep your workspace clean to ensure efficient work and to keep materials in good condition. Use a jeweler's bench. If you have the space and resources, consider investing in a jeweler's bench with built-in storage and work areas. Store by material or color. Store beads, gemstones, and other materials by material type or color. Use trays. Use trays to lay out designs before putting them together. Vertical storage. Utilize wall space for storage using shelves or pegboards. Store findings separately. Store findings like clasps, ear wires, and jump rings in separate containers. Use magnetic bars. Magnetic bars can hold metal tools and make them easy to reach. Use a bead mat. Bead mats prevent small pieces from rolling around. Mobile storage. Use rolling carts for items you need to move around often. Keep a design book. Keep a notebook to sketch ideas and keep track of designs. Work in progress storage. Have a dedicated space or box for work in progress pieces. Inspiration board. Hang an inspiration board for design ideas and inspiration. Remember, the organization is a continuous process. Adjust and adapt these tips based on what works best for your workflow and available space.